everyone, today I'm in Marshall's and I just figured I'd come by, give you a few gift ideas. They have a lot of beautiful gifts, purses, scarves. Steve Madden here, $19.99. Some more down here, $14.99. I always been a fan of these kind of little gift sets here. Oh, this is awesome. I love this brand. This is Patricia Nash. Let's see how much this is. $39.99. It's very cute little wristlet and wallet.
Oh, look at that dog purse, baby.
I like it.
Lots of nice, cute little character slippers for women. And they are, let's see the price. Oops. Drop this one. $19.99. Adrian Bettadini. Very cute. Just walking down here, see what else they have.
Oh, they want to do like a thank you.
Gift sets here. Kind of everywhere here. Puzzles, lots of puzzles. More games over here. Lots of games. This is really cute. Christian Siriano, tic-tac-toe. $14.99. They have it in white as well. Look at this avocado. What is this? Avocado smash. Fast-paced snap game. That's cute. If you like avocados, $5.99. They have some Star Wars. $14.99. Stormtrooper. Looks like it's a helmet of some sort. Oh wow, look at this cute Santa suit. $49.99. It's great. You can bring Santa home with you. You don't have to go to the mall. Have your hubby dress up as Santa and surprise the kids. Although they'll know anyway, but it'll still be fun. Have a Christmas party. Do that. More games over here. Starting around $16.99. There's this thing here. Shot put. A wood and metal brain teaser. These are fun. $7.99. Cute little stocking stuffers. Pandora's Opus. $4.99. Ugly Christmas sweaters. Happy Holidays. Pajamas. This is $12.99. It's fleece. Some more here. It's a great place to get some ugly Christmas sweaters, guys. $16.99. That's not so ugly to me. I think that's kind of cute. $16.99. There's a Santa there. Let's see. Merry and bright. These are all around $16.99. Just going through here to see if anything sticks out to me. This is really cute. Look at this. $16.99. It's like a elf sweater. It's got some little feet down there. It's very cute. $16.99. Let's go over here to the leggings. There's some cute little leggings to go with that, or twin pack Winter Wonderland. These are pajamas. There's $9.99 to $14.99. Very cute. Very cute twin pack of, looks like little pajamas. I thought they were leggings, but legging type. Very cute fleeces here. Again, look at this. $12.99. So if you're in the area and you just want to go out to your local Marshalls, they have a lot of great deals here. A lot of little gift sets here. There. Lots of perfumes. I like to do these videos for you guys because instead of going to the store, I mean, you might see something you like in the video and head out to Marshall's instead of just going, you know, on a whim and just not finding what you need or want. And, you know, save you some time. I know a lot of people are busy, and with the pandemic and everything, it's kind of best not to go out all the time unless you really have to. You might see something you like. So I just like to show you what I'm finding, and you can decide to go out if you like and get something. Section over here. This is a really cute stocking stuffer area. Well, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please rate, comment, and subscribe. And again, I thank you for watching. And hope to see you soon in my timeline.